What is up, guys? Saundezy Sessions episode 31. We're going to go bomb to circular key after a few warm-up clips on this precision ledge. We always ride when we come meet here at Wynyard. We're at the moment we're with Wes, Archie and Benny, and then we're going to head to our circular key. Yeah, we'll get a few clips of everyone on here first, guys, so let's get it.
What do you got first?
I reckon I already landed a trick, and then I always do one other thing. Heel Manny, bar Manny, down whip. So
Alright, let's get it. Oh, hey.
I got that, guys.
Oh! Oi.
Next shot. Got it, guys.
What'd you get?
Starbucks. Alright, guys, so we're going to that hill bomb now. Let's get it.
I'm going to strap on the GoPro. Let's see how this goes.
Hey guys, what's up? I don't know what I've got myself into, but Wes says we're doing something extremely crazy, so I'm a bit scared. But yeah, you guys will see what it is.
So where are we right now?
Infamous Sydney Opera House.
And underneath the Opera House is a car park hill bomb.
Mm-hmm.
Are you scared?
Yeah. Because it apparently, I mean, if you can imagine how many people come here, how big they'd need to make the car park, how many levels, we're going to bomb all of them.
Alright guys, Kai doesn't know what he's in for. We are going to hit this. I got the GoPro on. I got scabs on my face. We're ready to shred. We got Benny, Ugly God, Chi, Tyler. We're ready to shred, guys. Here we go. Thank you very much. Yeah, dudes. It just keeps going! Wait, this is sketchy as eh? There's water on the floor, I'm gonna slide out. Oh shit! Oh my god! Go! Oh shit, there's a car! This is so gnarly, dude! What the fuck? Yeah, dude. Wait, that's...
How about backward braking manual?
How about hurricane it, car? Hurricane it. That's our hurricane. Pull up this car.
But I'm front side, dude. That's my front side.
Oh, we're both stand this way, don't we? We coming up 180.
Oh, you mean front cane?
Yeah, dude. Wait, I'm scared to it this way.
Oh, the hop's so weird.
Yeah, Chi. Lady's about to hit the rail.
Oh, what's it called?
Is that Oppo bar? Yeah, dude. Have it, Archie.
That's why you have to fuck you.
You alright, dude?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
Got it, yeah. That was Kojo. Oh, wait, trust me, dude, this guy, I haven't did it.
That was it, dude. Yeah.
pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. My turn.
Yeah, Willie.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
You gonna get this?
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Scared, guys. Gonna film a clip. That's got 180 heel peak maintenance. Oh yeah.
Show us a fakey manual trick.
Get that, Wesley?
Nah. Too easy.
Hell's held first tee. That's probably the best I've ever done that.
What about
Downhill fakie Manny now.
Yeah, go. Oh shit.
Downhill fakie Manny.
Yeah, cheater. Cheater boy.
I was actually almost hit, dude. This shot. Oh, no, incoming shoot.
Yeah, dude. Get it.
Fuck, that's a hard one. Oh, sorry, body. This shot does.
What?
Yeah!
What was that?
Downhill fakie Manny. Now I go 180 whip fakie Manny, guys.
Alright.
Rip Dickies, first day.
Alright guys, we're at Coco Bay.
Coco Bay. Got it down nice now, guys. Big rail. Really scary. Has a crack, but I did it. Yeah, we just popped in for a little hit.
Do you love this rail?
Yeah, I mean, all I can really do is board slide on it, but yeah, it's pretty good.
Liar! Alright guys, we're gonna get Archie on the GoPro, so let's see what he can do.
There it is. Wait, dude, I'm gonna back you up.
Wait, Benny, is it good? You're supposed to look out for us, dude.
Wait, I got your back, dude. Dude, because I gotta do it with this GoPro, really. Whew.
What are you gonna do?
I want to backflip it. It's been my bucket list for so long.
Have it, bro, have it. Yeah, dude.
Remember that training when I first got on KOVU, backflip coffee?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I'll try.
So, the first time I ever seen Benny was at this rail, and he was here with his friend. How old were you, Benny?
Probably like 14.
He was 14 years old. How old are you now? 16. So 2 years ago I seen Benny at this rail and he board slided it. I yelled out to him, I was like, hit a back lip. So for the first time he's going to hit a back lip slide down this rail. I believe in you, Benny. I hope you guys do too. Do you believe in him, Kai?
He's got it, bro. He's got it.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, scariest thing with the GoPro.
Oh, really?
It's hella scary.
You don't like the GoPro?
Well, I like it, but not for big rails.
No, like.
Yo! And that was the first time Benny has ever backlipped that rail. Thumbs up on this video, guys. Come on. Are you gonna hit it, dude?
Maybe.
You've got this. Yo! There's a whole crowd of people up there.
Yeah, alright, Benny, you done? I'm gonna start up a vlog right now.
Throw that rock.
Fucking leg. Just standing leg.
Oh, you know what I stacked? Fucked my leg.
How's that for you?
It's actually so much easier than you think. It's just like a fear thing.
Yeah, it's good, eh?
Yeah.
I just bet to make it better, I will roll your bad train. I'm pretty sure you gave me that song as well, Chad.
Yeah, I got that song.
Do you reckon you can do this, Benny?
Oh, what is it? No, just so I know, because I'm pretty sure I got this.
Wait, how far did you get down before?
Yeah, I got that.
I went down, flat down, and then jumped off.
No.
I got money back for the back. What? You good, G? That looks sore. Hey man, I'm filming a clip. That's for
Wait, can you not touch people's property?
Can you not snake my clip?
You fat piece of shit. Oh, that was so close, Kai.
Wait, Archie.
You got it, Chi.
I'll go to Fakey and then I got her. I got her.
Go peep Cheetah's Instagram to see that clip. He didn't want us to release it on this video, so go peep it.
Oh yeah, Otter.
What the?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, go.
Why does Chi have no pants on?
Why does it?
So partially wrong things.
Why does
You can peep this clip on Insta, yeah?
Yeah, next year though, no jokes. Oh yeah, at Saundezy, peep this clip.
Right, and that's the end of the video, guys. Laters. See you tomorrow.
Too hot for this, guys, so I guess we'll see you in episode 32.
Put some pants on, Chi.
No fucking battery, bro. What should I do?